I've got wood.
Oh, no.
Hey, hey. So tell me what you got going on today.
I'm building a little fire pit. Well, it's small, just 20 inch, but I wanted something at the house because I haven't had a fire pit in a while.
Okay.
So I got a program for a little 20-inch fire pit off of the fire show program.
Yeah.
And then of course I added our logos to it because I don't want to do anything without our logos in it. You know?
Of course. What material did you cut this out of?
This is 1/8-inch steel.
All right, so it should last a while.
Should last a while. Not gonna bother with coating it or anything like that.
No, I think we just put some. Again, what I did with your pit and put some oil on it and blacken it.
Yeah,
I think that'd be just fine.
I agree.
And then
some stripes.
Excellent.
If we dig really carefully, I can get you some stars.
Hey, I don't know about stars, but I saw some Texas,
yes,
some state of the Texas cutouts.
Hold on, let me see.
Right there.
Yeah. So not only did I cut out our logo, I had to add a little home state pride on the legs.
There you go.
So
there we
it was
go.
It was supposed to have relief cuts. I thought the file said. I gotta go back and look and see if I messed up or they did, because there's.
Yeah, I don't
no
see any relief
cuts.
cuts. That's gonna be fun.
That's gonna be a blast.
So next step, clean this up, bend it, and weld it up, huh?
Yep.
All right, let's do it.
I think we're gonna be using the edge of the table,
Okay.
and then we'll clamp it. I'll probably have you hold weight on the back side of it,
Okay.
and I'll just go to town.
All right, so we're gonna bend it up now. Got it set on the edge of the table and hope for the best, right?
Yep. Ready?
Yep.
No.
No.
It's gonna bend it right here.
Yep.
Okay.
Okay.
So, wish we had the torch.
Yes.
We could just heat it up. We could take your plasma cutter
Yeah.
and put us a straight edge
Okay.
and do a relief cut.
Yeah. Yeah.
I think that's going to be our next next best bet.
Okay.
I'll start marking up the edges if you want to start setting up the
All right.
plasma.
Yep.
Should get my plasma glasses out.
Plasma.
110. It maxes at 30 amps on 110.
Oh, 110. Yeah.
Cool. Alright, let me get my fancy smancy glasses out.
All right. Safety first glasses on?
Safety first.
Safety first.
Alright, so I'm just gonna start about right here and work, you know,
Yeah.
somewhere in there.
Leave like a 1/2 inch on each side.
Yep.
All right. No. Ground. Good ground.
Good ground.
Okay.
Good God.
Doesn't give. Oh, there it goes. Hold on.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
I don't know what's going on with that.
I don't know. No, I just tried it.
That was disappointing.
Very.
It says it'll do that on 5/8 on 120 volt.
5/8 on 120 volt.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
Ready?
Yep. And that, my friends, is how you do it.
Not as good as the machine, but good enough.
Awesome. Only 6 more times.
It is a pain in the ass, isn't it?
Yeah.
If only they had this fucking...
If only they made a machine to do this.
Right. If only they had just put it in the drawing like it's supposed to be.
Got them. They were hanging on the bottles over there.
Bueno?
Yep, let's go.
What should have been 5 minutes of work.
Oh, sweet. Look at that. Right on. So 90 degree.
Yep.
Huh?
So, yep.
I don't know. I think we'll try it out here in a minute.
Yeah. Those are good enough for now.
Okay.
I'll tweak them.
Let's go. Whoop.
Ready?
You ready?
Okay.
Okay.
Might be able to, let's see. That bent pretty easy.
Woo! Look at that.
I'll have some cleanup to do, buddy.
Beautiful.
Stand right there.
Did you weld that already or what?
You listen here, all right, bucko?
I'm listening.
Okay.
Yep. Don't worry about it rotting away though. 1/8 inch? What? They're making those out of what? 16 gauge sheet metal?
That's it, huh?
Yeah.
So now I need to set this thing up for the miggery. Really? It wasn't in the Tahoe? No, it would have been right there in the back seat. Driver's side. Driver's side back seat.
Alright.
Fun. I said, fuck it, I'm gonna weld them out.
I mean, when I was walking in, I could hear it.
It welds great. I'm gonna try and speed up a little bit on these passes. See if that does it. There it is. Okay. That one.
Okay.
We'll see.
Good luck.
Good luck. I think I'm gonna get comfortable.
You're gonna wear the duty cycle out on that thing.
We're gonna find out, aren't we?
Yeah, okay.
Meter on that the other day.
Oh.
Cannot remember if you're supposed to make downhill or uphill on your vertical welds. I know that's not necessarily a vertical weld, but close enough. Maybe we'll try this one going. Let's see if it does anything. definitely downhill. Those are ugly. I hate grinding. I hate grinding.
You sure I wasn't using your meter here?
Huh?
You sure I wasn't using your meter?
I know at one point you had yours.
Okay. Yeah, we were using my meter because remember, I remember it.
Perfect.
Perfect.
20 inches all day long. .28 diagonal and 9 inches high. Cool. Looks good.
Yeah.
Looks good.